Today we will read Chapter 1 of Science, Living and Non-Living Things. The world in which we live is very beautiful. There are many things around us. Trees and toys, animals and aeroplanes, cars and computers, rocks and rockets, flowers and fountains, sun and stars, birds and beds, food and furniture. The list is endless. Look at the following picture and observe the different things that we usually see. Have you noticed that all the things are not of the same kind? Some of them have life and some do not have. Things that have life in them are called living things. Things that do not have life are called non-living things. Can you identify the living and non-living things in the above picture? Write two things each. Living things: man, girl. Non-living things: doll, dustbin. Living things: living things have life. Men, animals, trees, plants, insects, birds, reptiles, all are living things. How do you know whether a thing has life or not? There are many features which make living things different from non-living things. Living things can move. All living things can move on their own. Man and animals like cat, dog, and elephant walk or run. Birds fly. Fishes swim. Snakes crawl. Frogs hop or jump. Animals move with the help of limbs, wings, fins or body. Plants also move. Plants like climbers need support to climb up. Creepers grow along the ground. And sunflower turns its face towards the sun. Living things breathe. All plants and animals breathe in air. All living beings breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Plants breathe through tiny holes on their leaves. Animals breathe through their lungs, gills, skin or air hole. Animals that live on land generally breathe through lungs. Animals that live in water breathe through their gills. Frogs that live both on land and in water breathe through their lungs, gills and also skin. Ants breathe through air holes. Living things need food. All living things need food to live. Food helps living things to grow. Plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Animals depend on plants for their food. Animals get their food from plants or other animals. Living things grow. All living things grow. They grow and change their shape and size as they get older. After a certain period of time, they die. A seed grows into a seedling and gradually to a big tree. The egg of a butterfly changes into a caterpillar and then to an adult butterfly. Egg of a frog grows into the tadpole and then changes into an adult frog. A human baby grows into a young boy or girl and becomes an adult man or woman. So, all plants and animals grow. Living things can feel. Man, animals and plants all can feel. But man and animals feel differently from plants. Most animals, including man, feel with the help of their sense organs such as eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. How do you feel when suddenly a pin pricks your hand? You feel the pain and immediately move your hand. Animals also feel pain or love. For example, when you kiss your pet dog, it licks your hand and wags its tail. Plants also feel. For example, mimosa plant called touch me not droops its leaves on touching. The sunflower turns its face towards the sun. Lotus closes its petal at night. Living things reproduce. All living things, including man, animals, and plants, produce their own kinds. It is called reproduction. Humans reproduce by giving birth to babies. Animals reproduce by laying eggs or by giving birth to babies. Plants reproduce their seeds or other body parts. Non-living things. Non-living things have no life. They cannot move on their own. They do not need air to breathe in or food to eat. They can neither feel nor can they reproduce. Things like table, chair, rocks, fountains, toys, stones, stars, and moon are non-living things. Have you seen a chair that moves by itself? Or have you ever seen a stone that eats food or drinks water by itself? Non-living things are of two types: man-made and natural non-living things. Man-made and natural non-living things. All non-living things are either man-made or natural. Things which are made by man are called man-made non-living things. Things which are not made by man are called natural non-living things. Some man-made non-living things are furniture, houses, shoes, clothes, vehicles, and roads. Some natural non-living things are soil, sun, water, and air. Thank you. Bye bye.